This is Canadian winter right here. To my viewers in like the Philippines or anywhere tropical, like the Bahamas, yeah, you guys got to see snow. This is Canada winter. Do I recommend you visit Canada during the winter? I don't really know. It depends on your personal choices. It's not me who tells you if you should come to Canada or not. It's your personal choice. So yeah, today is Thursday, January 16th, 2026. And today, schools in Ontario or just the York Region District School Board, maybe in Toronto District School Board as well, school was cancelled due to the heavy snowstorm. And at the beginning of the video, y'all probably saw the deep snow. See? It's very deep. I'll give you a side-by-side comparison. See? It's a very deep snow area. Yeah. School was canceled today because of the snowstorm, and tomorrow's a PA day, so I don't think we'll be able to go to school for these 2 days. So yeah, it's a 4-day long weekend. Yippee! Hope you guys enjoyed this. Always remember, like and subscribe if you want to see more.